Hello Sudoku friends, hello Sudoku friends, welcome to day in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 8th, 2020. We have here 7 Sudokus, extra Sudokus, Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, and a binary. So let's get started with the first Sudoku, and it's a 1 star Sudoku. This 1 star Sudoku will be number 1716. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. The 1 star has always 27. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 3 is equal to 27. Correct. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? We see here 1 in this row, a 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then I need to wait for the 1 in this row. We have now 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number, 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. The 9 and the 5 in the middle row are missing. We see here 9 and the 5 in this big square, so no 9 and the 5 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. We see here 2 and a 4, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 1 box left in this middle row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then let me see, 2, 4, 7. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 7. And look, we have the 4 and the 7 here, so no 4 and the 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to mark them for you so you can follow it easier. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 7 should be there. Then how about the 6 in this row? A 6 in the row below, so in the last row the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this 3rd column, 6 in the 1st column, so in the column between the 2nd column the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see, yes. Digit number 1. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be the 4. Alright. How about 2, 3, 5. I need a 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. There are 4, no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 5, 8. 5, 8, and then 7, 4, and 1. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 1. Here I cannot place a 1 there because we have a 1 here. Here we have a 1 there, so no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 2. How about the number 8. Yeah. 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there. We see here also a 7, so no 7 there. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then in the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there in the first column. But we see here another 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. Then I need to wait for the 7. How about the following number? These 2 numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 9 and the 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this third row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5, 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then one number left in the second row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 is missing. 7, 9. Then 1 number left in this column for the number, should be the 9. Yes, 9 is correct. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 here. Or there we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be the 4. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Then how about these 2 numbers? The 8 and the 3 are missing. 8 and the 3, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Digit number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, can I fill this? No. Well, very strange. No, 2 and a 5. 2. This should be also 2 and a 5 in the last column. And we have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one, very fast to solve. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and in a minute I will continue with the 2 stars Sudoku. So thank you and bye bye for now.